The best portable cribs for hassle-free traveling. The best portable cribs are ideal if you travel with your baby frequently or require a second crib to carry around easily. A portable crib is smaller than a standard crib and is designed to be lightweight and compact. It keeps the baby comfortable while you're on the go or staying at a friend's place for the night. Watch on to learn about some portable cribs, their features, and some safety measures to keep in your mind when using them. Number 1. Best for interaction. MiClassic All-Mesh Portable Crib. The MiClassic Portable Crib is easy to store or transport. It comes with a bassinet whose edges and corners are covered with soft padding for safety. The portable crib's base is sturdy and complies with the CPSIA safety standards. It is available in crystal and gray colors. What we like. Easy 1-second open and fold system. All-around mesh fabric for breathability. Pegs for smooth rocking movements. Carry bag included. Dual mode stationary and rocking. What we don't like. May not suit newborns. Some may find the height to be low. Number 2. Best safe and non-toxic. The Guava family Lotus travel crib. If you often need to travel with your baby or are looking for a crib to lay your child out in the backyard, try the Guava family Lotus travel crib. Ideal for traveling, this crib is certified non-toxic and can be used to sleep and play for babies up to 3 years old. The crib edges have smooth padding to keep your baby safe. This portable crib comes with a thick and soft foam mattress to let your baby sleep or play comfortably. The dimensions of this crib are 42 by 32 by 25 inches. What we like. Lightweight and portable. Easy to assemble and dismantle. Comes with a portable carrying backpack. All-round mesh fabric for ventilation. Side zipper door for ease of supervision. What we don't like. May be smaller than expected. Some may find it difficult to lift the baby out from the crib. Number 3. Best easy to set up. BabyBjorn Travel Crib. BabyBjorn Travel Crib is suitable for newborns to babies aged 3 years. It is made up of 100% polyester, built to give reassuring supervision to the baby while sleeping. The crib weighs only 11 pounds. You can choose from the 3 different colors available. Thanks to this crib, traveling with your little one has never been this easy. What we like. Lightweight, foldable design, easy to set up. Comes with a carry-on bag. Mesh fabric for ventilation. Mattress included. Machine washable fabric. What we don't like. May not be suitable for a larger baby. Hem may come undone after washing. Number 4. Best Multifunctional. Dream on Me 3-in-1 Portable Side Crib. Made of a solid birchwood frame. This portable crib can be converted into a playpen and a changing station with ease. The crib measures 41 by 26 by 40 inches and can bear up to 35 pounds of weight. The Dream on Me crib has hinged stationary back rails and hooded safety wheels for the safety of babies. You can choose from 5 different colors to suit your nursery. What we like. Folds flat for easy storage. Lightweight and portable. Crib mattress and assembly tools included. Caster wheels for easy movement. Rail system for safety. What we don't like. Some may find the directions to be vague. May require additional effort to make the mattress board sit. Number 5. Giantex Store Nursery Baby Crib Set. The nursery crib set from Giantex is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel. This crib can be folded and carried in a bag with ease. It is made of lightweight yet sturdy material that ensures comfort and safety for your baby. The mesh windows on the side help in proper air circulation and visibility and allow easy access through the zippers. It also features a diaper place, a side pocket, 2 wheels for moving, and an eye-catching rack with star-shaped toys to keep the baby engaged. You can choose from the 4 colors available. Features: foldable design, diaper changer and storage pocket included. Lockable caster wheels for easy mobility. Zippered mesh windows for ventilation and interaction. Star hanging toys for engagement. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.